Hello again, everybody. Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new 2022 Forest River Cherokee 274RK. Rear kitchen, large single slide out, queen bed up front. Got the juice pack with the solar panel on the roof already. Great storage. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to when you're in travel. Remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. All of your specs, holding tank sizes, measurements will be listed down below in the description, so check those out as well. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, .rv. All right, standing at the entry door looking in, you see the large slide out, lots of windows, natural light, rear kitchen, entertainment area. You got a side hallway to the bedroom. That's where we'll start. You got a queen walk-around bed. Power and receptacles on both sides. Got USB storage underneath. Hanging space. You got shades. This box here is for a light. You can order that through the parts department. You also have the charging areas on top. This is sold separately, but it is a dock for a lighting system you can purchase. Overhead storage. Spot for a TV here. You do have a solid door closing off the bedroom to the bathroom. Got air ducts in the bedroom and the bathroom. Got plenty of room around the toilet. For the shower, I'm 6'5". My head goes right up in this skylight. So a little tight for me. If you're shorter than 6'5", you're good. Nice storage throughout. Receptacles. Nice large sink. More storage. Nice spot for trash can. Got the large exhaust fan. Medicine cabinet. Nice little hanging area here. I like how the door to the bathroom is set back a little bit, so you don't walk right into the bathroom. You can kind of step out of the walkway to get into the bathroom, so not a whole lot of congestion. You've got both thermostats for your ACs. We did do dual air conditioners on this. Your convenience area when you walk in, it's got your battery tender, your controls to control your awning, your slide, your lights, check your holding tanks, all in one convenient area. You got the night light, blue LED lights. We'll start with the chairs in here. They are all covered up to protect them, but nice, smooth. And they do have footrests that kick out, so they are recliners. You got the large window. And again, zebra shades in the living area. So let some air light in, block it all out, and it rolls right up out of your way. Overhead storage. Across from the chairs, which are you can set anywhere. And they travel good this way, strapped together. But you can move them around, take one out, put a dog crate in, put another air mattress in. You got options there. The sofa directly across is a trifold sleeper sofa. We'll take a look at that opened up. All right, trifold sleeper sofa opened up. So you got plenty of room to walk around to get by. And then for putting it back, you got space down here for your linens, your pillows. You got two adjustable legs. Fold in. And then you've got the Velcro back there that hold those cushions in place. So pretty easy setup and breakdown trifold sleeper sofa. And you've got your fireplace, your stereo, spot for TV, all in one convenient area. Got your speakers and subwoofer inside. Nice textured glass cabinets. The fireplace does put out electric heat, so nice option there in addition to your LP heat. Booth dinette, again, drops down to make a bed. We'll take a look at that. There's your booth dinette made into a bed. Basically just removing cushions, tucking those back in. Pretty easy setup of that. The table is probably best to travel in the down position. There's no chance of it bouncing up. And you got the Velcro tabs that hold that table in place. So easy setup of the booth dinette to a bed. So you got full access drawers. Again, zebra shades throughout. Charging area. Lights. And then going to the kitchen. Tons of countertop space in the kitchen. Solid surface on your large stainless sink and over your range. It folds up and acts as a splash guard. Does have LED lights as well. Then you've got a cutting board that's got the magnets. You can put that over your sink, over the range. You can take it outside in your outside kitchen. Tons of storage. You do have microwave. We've got the Cherokee right now on sale. If you're looking at 2022, $43,999. You do have the exhaust for your range. Again, receptacles throughout. Got the 12-volt refrigerator. Freezer. Down low, you've got your battery disconnect and your fuse panel. It's got your circuit breakers. And then you've got another receptacle down low. Nice large pantry. So lots of space, lots of storage. Rear kitchen, 274RK Cherokee. Let's work our way outside. Take a look out there. Guys, before we head outside, if you're coming to the lot in Yorktown to see this camper or any other one in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, moving to the outside, you see the front logo. Power tongue jack, 7-pin holder and chain holder built in. Two 20-pound LP bottles on the cover. You've got a battery box. The 274 has got a dry weight of 6,736 pounds. Got a hot and cold outside shower. Your water hookup. Back side of your hot water heater. Move down the side, you've got your sewer connection, easily accessible. Your cable, your black tank flush, and convenience light all in one nice area. Nice deep slide out. We'll work our way down around to the back. All right, on the back you see the spare tires on the storage rack that drops down. We'll take a look at that down. All right, here's the rack in the down position. You got a pin on either side. You do not have to do anything with the spare tire. So it just drops down and will travel just like that. You also have backup camera already built in. Got your pet leash latch. You can hook the pets up while you're at the campground. Electric stabilizer jacks. Controls here for the rear two. Your outside kitchen has a refrigerator, ice maker, outside shower, 2-burner range, outside speakers, full length, power awning with LED lights. Got your exhaust for your range. You got a spot for a TV to move outside. I mentioned the outside speakers. You are looking at 15-inch tires. Large assist handle. Your step above entry steps, they fold right up into the camper nice and clean. Door's got friction hinge so it stays where you want. There's the steps right up inside. We mentioned the dry weight, the 6736. Adjustable legs with the latch so you don't have to pull a pin. Nice and easy to use. You have a screen door. You've got the glass look front door. You can add the shade for the window as well. I mentioned the controls for your front two stabilizer jacks. And then your storage up front. Convenience light, your solar charger controller there. Your brand new 2022 Forest River Cherokee 274RK. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot, you want to see this camp or any other one in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, guys, as promised with the slide in, it is super tight getting through. You can squeeze through to the kitchen, but unfortunately, you're only opening the fridge a little bit. So if you want to leave a drink right here at the edge, something to access, you can. Same thing with the freezer, very limited. Other than that, you got full access to the bedroom, to the bathroom, no issues there.